Hello everyone, this is Dinesh Sharma, Assistant Professor RPIIT College Hotel Management. Here I am giving the knowledge you about the course BHM and CT. BHM and CT means Bachelor in Hotel Management and Catering Technology. It's the 4-year course which is affiliated from Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. Do one thing. Here is the 3 types of study. One is technical study and another is traditional study, and the restless is your professional study. In technical study there are the courses like BTech, and in the traditional studies which are running from the so many long traditional time like as BA, BCom, BSc, and there have no opportunity of job in this sector. And now in the technical sector there is also no scope, and I am introducing now you in technical study. There is the technical study BHM and CT degree which is coming under the professional course. There have a lot of job opportunity in the future, and there is the government job opportunity like in the government sector, in railway catering, air force, navy, and armed forces. Over there they have the government opportunity even in the government hotels like Ashoka ITDC Delhi, and there have and many more opportunity in like in the tourism sector, all the state tourism and the center tourism. And nowadays the scope in the government hospitals also as a nutritious and the supervisor of housekeeping department. And there is the a lot of opportunity even in the tourism industry also, and in the hospitality industry also. In the hospitality industry like as 5-star chains in Indian and international like as Taj, Oberoi, Sheraton, Hyatt, Radisson Blue, there have a lot of opportunity after doing the hotel management course. There is the 4 department in hotel management like F&B service, which is food and beverage service, which is responsible for serving the food, and F&B production, which is responsible for making the food, and another is front office, which is responsible for welcoming of the guest, and the restless is your housekeeping, which is responsible for aesthetic upkeep of the hotel. And there have a lot of opportunity in these all 4 departments, and restless are the ancillary department also like as finance department, security departments, and these are the departments, and they have a lot of future. Your future is secure in the hospitality industry, so you can choose the hospitality industry a degree course. It's the degree of BHM NCT Bachelor in Hotel Management and Catering Technology, which is affiliated from Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. Like as another degree BTech, there is the 8th SEM also in this degree BHM NCT. And in 5th SEM and in 8th SEM there is the your training. In 5th SEM your IT means industrial training, and in 8th SEM if you are doing hard work, maybe you are selected for MT, or maybe you are selected for IT or JT. There is the a lot of opportunity. If you are selected for MT, it's the management trainee. Management trainee is directly going for the assistant manager job, and one is HOT, head of operation trainee. If you are selected for HOT, you are directly going for supervisor job in housekeeping department. And another is VT, vocational training. It is only basic knowledge for 2 months. And one is JT, job training. If you are doing the job training, then you are upgrading in the industry by step, so the make your future bright. Please join the RPIIT campus Bastada Karnal, there have a lot of opportunity in your future. May so thank you to all of you. You have a nice day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And best wishes from Mr. Dinesh Sharma, Assistant Professor, Hotel Management Department, RPIIT College. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.